Hello Office Executive. In this particular problem set scenario in Excel, I will be demonstrating a thing that is if there are a repetitive item in some several sheets, those repetitive items won't appear twice, but their value would be added up, or maybe max would be found out, that is aggregate function would be performed on those repetitive item, and they won't be appearing if they are having, I mean, in three sheets, if we in the three sheets we are having twice, it won't appear twice, but it would appear only one time. But this one time would be, maybe they would be summed up, or maybe max, or maybe average, that is the aggregate function will be performed on those items. So is there a way out in Excel, I mean any feature in Excel in which we can perform this particular operation? And the answer to the question would be yes. So instead of using this particular feature in Excel, if in the final sheet, that is console, that is consolidated data, where we will be having the final result, if we just manually copy from 15 January and then paste it to the console, and then again go to the section, then we will be having rise twice, and the rise would be appearing 12, and then again rise would be appeared 17, so the rise would be appearing twice. So there is a feature in Excel in which these repetitive items won't appear twice or thrice there according to their order of appearance, but they would be aggregated. The aggregated means either sum or max or mean. So for this use this particular feature, we will need to move into the data section, and we will be using this consolidate button, and we will be clicking on this particular button, and then we will be going to the 15th January and then select this particular one. Fine. So now I need to add this particular sheet, and then I need to instruct Excel that the second sheet that we are having the data in this particular section, we'll be clicking on add, and then we'll be going to the 17th of January. In a similar fashion, we'll be clicking on add. Now I need to instruct Excel that we are having the unique items, that is the unique, the labels are in the top row in the left column. So in the top row we are having the table header, and in the left column we are having the identifications of that is the rise. Those are some unique labels, and I want to create a link, that is if in the child sheet the data changes, in the final sheet the data would just auto populate, and then just click on OK. So here we are having a nice looking table. Fine. Now if I expand this particular Maza, so we are having biscuit in book 2 only once, and for rice we are having, so let me just collapse the extension. So we are having rice 61. Now how to tally this particular data? So we can go to the view section and then click on new window, and then click on 17th January, and then click on again on new window, and then go to 16th of January, and then click on again new window, and then go to 15th of January, and finally we will be arranging all, and I want to see them tiled, maybe vertical. Let's hit OK. So we are having all these sheets. So let me just make this sheet a little okay. So this is this sheet which is okay. So this is the sheet 1. Let me click on this particular sheet and let me make it a little bit smaller. So we are having rise 61. So we are having rise 17, and then rise 12. So 7 plus 2 9, 29, and 29 added up with 32 means 11 3 1 4 5. So yeah, we are having 61. So let me just quickly just do it equal to sum. After writing the name of the function, we will be pressing the tab key to auto populate the Excel. The first bracket would be opened up, and we will be adding up this rise, and then we will be clicking comma, we will be giving this rise, and then comma, and then we will be just selecting this rise, and then close the braces and press enter. The answer is 61, which is in accordance with the Excel, that is the final sheet in which the data is being populated, it is showing properly. So watch the video back and forth, and let me know in the comment section how you felt about this particular video. That's all for this particular Excel problem set scenario. I'll be back again with some other video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.